Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sad emotion effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the sad emotion. You just click on the effect at the bottom and click on a body effect. And at the menu you can click on the emotion, and after this you can swipe down until you can see sad. This is the sad emotion effect, so you just click on it, and after this in here you just click on the check icon. And after this in here you can adjust the effect, so you can adjust the effect, so you can click adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the background animation like this, and for the sticker, the set like this. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to add a sad emotion effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.